y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. This morning, we are going to make some Belgian waffles. I got up, got my family some coffee, got our little mixer plugged in. I'm gonna whip up some egg whites. Well, actually, I might as well just do the rest first so we can be on the right track. My family loves waffles, y'all. More so over pancakes. Do y'all prefer pancakes or waffles? What sweet breakfast do y'all prefer? We're gonna start off with 1 1/8 cup of AP flour. I keep a little quarter scoop in there in case I just need a little dusting or something. We've got 1 cup, and this is about a quarter scoop, so I'm gonna do a half. 1 1/8, and we're going to add 2 teaspoons. The recipe I looked up, and I'm following this recipe. The recipe I'm following, I'm doing a half because my family doesn't need 8 or 15 pancakes. We need like a couple. So I tried to half it. 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. I'm just going to do 3 halves. Quite a bit, but that's okay. 1, 2, 3. And a quarter teaspoon of salt, which is not that much. We might have a quarter here. Let's give it a shot. Sure do. It's not much at all. We darn near already have a quarter there. Look at that. It's basically a quarter, little extra. And the recipe called for cinnamon. I don't think I want cinnamon in there. We're going to do a simple, I'm going to use my little hand mixer to just mix that together. Now, hopefully that flour doesn't interfere because we're going to whip up the egg whites, y'all. I could just do the 3 bowls and just do it in my measuring cup. Okay, let's do that. All right, y'all, we just need a quarter cup of vegetable oil. I need some more of this. Cup of milk. 1 cup of milk, so that'll be 1 1/4. Perfect. And half a teaspoon of vanilla, but come on, y'all. And we're gonna put the egg whites in this bowl, the egg yolk in this one. All right, y'all, we're gonna separate this little egg real quick. You want the white to be very clean. Oh, there's a shell. I'll just have to get that out. No big deal. You want like no yolks in there if possible. And you want to run it back and forth because this shell is your special tool with the eggs. It will cut that yolk and everything so you can get nice clean yolks and whites. The shell will help get your broken piece of shell out. It's very unique. They've got egg separators and stuff. I don't know if I've ever used one. We're gonna whip up this egg white till we have stiff peaks. Alright, y'all, we're gonna call that good. Just a minute or not even. You got some nice and whipped up egg whites that will make your waffles fluffy as can be. Now what I should have done, I'm gonna do it real quick. Put this little hand mixer back together. I'm gonna whip this real quick carefully. Alright, y'all, now we're gonna combine. With this, you don't want to overmix, so don't use the mixer. We're gonna combine the egg yolk combo into our combined dry mix. I better get the butter out and ready too. My husband just likes butter and powdered sugar on his. I like just syrup, no butter. People are very different. We're gonna combine this and then fold in our egg whites. That one little egg whites produce that much whipped egg whites. It's incredible. This looks like a lot of liquid, but this looks awesome. Don't want to overmix, but I do want to combine. A couple flour pockets aren't a big deal. Going to plug in our little waffle iron. Okay, she's on. We gotta give her a minute to warm up. Pretty good. Now we're going to fold in our beautiful egg whites. Like that little bit of egg produced this much egg whites. That's awesome. And these whipped egg whites with stiff peaks will help make this waffle very light, airy, fluffy. Not dense and gross. Perfect. We're just gonna fold it in, y'all. Fold it in. It's quite chilly where we are right now. We'll see what happens. Pretty good. I tried to be real careful with it, but a little mix shouldn't hurt. And we'll let this heat up and get going. All right, y'all, the waffle iron's ready, but I'm gonna mix up some of these eggs real quick. Gotta get the shells out, but these aren't cracking amazing, so that's part of my problem here, y'all. We love eggs over here in baking, for breakfast, on a sandwich, Fried, boiled, scrambled. Come clean this up. Right here. Oh, please don't put no shells in there. But he's just cracking horribly, y'all. Look at that. Did it really put another one in there? No, I think we're good. The dogs love eggs. Everybody loves eggs. I'm glad my family likes eggs because I really love eggs. Some people don't like eggs, y'all. Eggs with breakfast? Come on. So good. Perfect. Okay, good. And I have a couple of egg whites here, maybe 3. So we're going to add that as well. Don't want those to go to waste. So I asked my family if they would like breakfast, and we do. We just do salt and pepper, y'all. Might need a little more, but we're gonna start with this. I just use a fork to whisk it up. I got this Costco cheater bacon. There's only a couple left, so 7 left. I might just throw these in there and cook those as well because my pan needs some grease. Put this skillet on super low and that'll cook up and we'll get going on everything. Eggs, waffles, and bacon. Delicious. It's baking up a bit and we're starting to move along. They're all curling up, which I'm not worried about. I'm gonna get a little chunk of butter and butter it out. Also, it would be smart to maybe have a little scoop. I want them to be full, but not exploding. Closer and turn it. It should be good. Hopefully. And I didn't have my mic. Now there's not enough grease on my waffle. Come on, y'all. At least it's coming out. Hallelujah. Not the best situation, but at least we managed. Just gonna put these little chunks over here. They're really light. All right, we're gonna dump these chunks out, stir my eggs up and put them back on. I might actually have to cut the heat on these. These are cooking. Okay, y'all, let's try this again. We need that spray. It sprayed everywhere but where I wanted. That was a little vegetable spray. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hopefully this doesn't make a fat mess. Man, y'all. Try to get it to go this way. This is gonna be full. Hopefully it doesn't make a mess. It's always something, y'all. Get these eggs back on real low. Oh no. There it goes, y'all. Ain't nothing I can do about it. Jiminy. It's either ain't full enough or too full. Whoops. Take it off the heat. This is going to be a really full waffle, y'all. Oh my goodness. It says it's done, but I don't think it is. Way too full, y'all. And again, the spray. What the heck? It looks like it's just trying to split the waffle in half. Now, that is not what I want. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is not going well this morning. Look at this. Oh, are you serious? Okay, hopefully I can get one good one. This is a nightmare. Like, how does that happen? Try to brush this all around. Obviously, don't overfill. And then all right, y'all, hopefully that'll work. And we're not gonna overfill. Hopefully that's not overfilled. Going in. These eggs aren't the best eggs I've done, but they won't be the worst. Knock on wood. Get them cooked though. Okay, it's one piece. Oh my goodness, hallelujah. I'm gonna set it over here on this grate so it can cool. Going to top it with a ton of butter. My eggs are screaming because I put the heat up. Jiminy, okay. Utensil. This little brush helped way more than I thought. Butter tastes good on it, so I guess it's okay though, because usually you top it with butter too. Let's see if we can get one more decent one. I don't make waffles too often, so you gotta learn what is the best amount in your machine. All right. Shut it and flip it. Perfect. Okay, y'all. Oh, great. That's not the kind of eggs we want. Ain't gonna be the best breakfast, but at least it will be fed. Shouldn't have to chop your scrambled eggs. Alrighty. Now, I need to get these to cook. They're almost done. Might put them back here, turn them down. It's a decent size, but we'll let it cook another minute. I'm going to start to plate this. We're gonna put more butter. That waffle's screaming, y'all. Alright, y'all. It's gonna need a little help coming out. Alright, y'all. Let's get this little waffle out. Man, I am struggling to get these things out. It's okay, we got it. Unplug the machine, and we'll get some butter on this thing. Let this cool before I clean it up, and again. It should be done any minute. I turn the heat off. We're gonna put more butter on here. Try to get some thin slices of butter so I can get it all over these. Couple little slices. We should be good to go, y'all. Where's my towel? Try to get these dried up a little bit. All right, y'all. Now these eggs are delicious. They're not the best I've ever made, and this is it, y'all. This is breakfast. Bon appetit. Delicious spread, eggs, bacon, and waffles. Beautiful breakfast. Happy time, y'all. Happy time. Appreciate y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and give this video a like. Comment down below what you think, and subscribe for more. We appreciate y'all for watching and joining us in our kitchen. Bon appetit, y'all. Peace out.